Just when it looked like Albert Arenas or Can Oncu would take home the victory at Misano, Valentin Debise had other plans. In one of the most dramatic World Supersport races of the 2026 season, the EASTROC ZXMOTO factory Evenbros racing rider delivered a stunning final lap performance to snatch victory right at the finish line and send a powerful message to his championship rivals. Debise not only managed to defeat the two strongest riders in the championship, but he also once again proved that both he and ZXMOTO are genuine title contenders. If there were any doubts about the championship battle before Misano, they may now have been completely erased. From the very beginning, Race 1 delivered exactly the kind of battle fans were hoping for. At the front, Albert Arenas, Can Oncu, and Valentin Debise quickly established themselves as the riders to beat. Lap after lap, the trio traded positions and pushed each other to the limit around the iconic Misano circuit. Arenas was determined to strengthen his lead in the championship standings. Oncu was eager to turn his impressive qualifying pace into another race victory. Meanwhile, Debise remained calm and patient. That strategy ultimately paid off in spectacular fashion. As the race entered its closing stages, the intensity only increased. The leading trio was separated by the narrowest of margins, and every corner became crucial. Fans watching around the world knew they were witnessing something special. But what unfolded on the final lap was a masterclass in elite-level racecraft. While Arenas and Oncu focused on defending their positions, Debise stayed composed and calculated. He placed himself perfectly, remaining close enough to strike, and the moment the opportunity appeared, he executed the decisive move. This was not a victory built on luck. It was not a win handed to him by circumstance. It was a triumph earned through patience, racing intelligence, and flawless execution under pressure. Now, Debise and ZXMOTO have added a historic sixth victory to their record by defeating the two strongest title challengers of the season. The progress made by ZXMOTO has been remarkable, and Valentin Debise has been at the center of that success. His experience and consistency have transformed ZXMOTO from a dark horse into a genuine threat in the fight for the World Supersport Championship. This victory provides valuable momentum for the French rider heading into the upcoming rounds, and serves as proof that the title battle is far from over. One victory can change confidence. One victory can shift momentum. And sometimes, one victory can alter the course of an entire season. The question now is simple. Can Debise and ZXMOTO maintain this momentum and turn their remarkable season into a successful World Supersport Championship title campaign?